help me find my way back home. And then you left me. Now I'm left all alone. The rain is getting hard and I'm feeling very lost. I said one thing wrong, but well, what's the cost? The rain is back in my life. I'm so very confused. And I don't know what to say. Well, I guess I love the abuse. I was in your basement only on a Friday night. Oh, how well we got along, how we never fight. But 3 months later, things were so much different. I can't speak my mind, I can't give my own 2 cents. But the rain is back in my life. I'm so very confused. And I don't know what to say. Well, I guess I love the abuse. And it's midnight, and everything's alright. It's been 3 days since I heard from you. I'm getting nervous and I don't know what to do. Well, that's alright. Okay. The rain is back in my life. I'm so very confused. And I don't know what to say. Well, I guess I love the abuse. One day I'll move right out of state. And then finally will everything be okay? And you will be right by my side. And then no longer will I have